Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to install the Patreon app on your Android device. So first, unlock your Android phone and tap on the Google Play Store icon to open it. Then click on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Patreon and hit search. Look for the app developed by Patreon itself. Then tap on the app. Then press the install button. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Sign in with your existing Patreon account or create a new one to start supporting your favorite creators. And yes, that's it. You have successfully installed the Patreon app on your Android device. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.